Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SMC Traders. In this video, I am going to tell you about the pure concept of the smart money method course outline. I will tell you my course content, and it's 2-month trading course programs, 2-month mentorship program. So if you are interested to learn the course, you can join our group, or you can comment your WhatsApp number. I will contact you. The group, our WhatsApp group link will be provided in description or in first comment. So watch complete this video first of all, and if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. There are 18 subscribers, and if I reach 1000 subscribers in this month, I will teach you the free of the course after pure concept of the SMC. So this is our course content. You can take a screenshot of the course content. I will read all of the outline here, so listen carefully. Our first topic is introduction of the forex market, then introduction of the big players, candlestick pattern that we need to learn, and mapping the market structure. Most of the traders don't know what's the mapping of the market structure. They don't know the valid, invalid order blocks, and even they don't correct mapping the market. Big players entries, advanced concept of the liquidity, identify the retail traders positions, supply and demand levels, and we find our entry areas, SMC rules before we execute our trade orders, market cycle from session to session, how market move from Asian session to the London and then New York sessions. Then other is a concept the imbalance and FEG, and order block or type of the order blocks, also included currencies correlation with each other and with gold and oil. I know most of the traders find the setup. We don't need to find the setups on all of the pairs. We just need to find a setup on dollar or euro USD, then we'll take entry on other 7 major pairs. So this is the power of the currencies correlation. If you know that dollar is weak, then it will be easy for you. You will execute your trades on all major pairs without analyze the market or without analyze these pairs. And next topic is future pair analysis and their currencies correlation and their correlation with forex pair. Most of the traders, I know most of the technical traders ignore these topics. I don't know why they ignore these topics. So this is a future pair analysis is a very important. And another topic is a chart report analysis. There are 3 types of chart reports, and I will tell you the detail, and I will teach you all of these reports, which tell us the commercial, non-commercial positions. And another is the big player positions. Another topics is open interest analysis. This is the advanced tool of the market. This open interest analysis will give you the market signal on all of the pairs, even on the stock market, even give you the gold signal and early in the morning. So we analyze this open interest early in the morning, and it gives the signals of the whole of the day. Open interest is actually the real volume of the market, which tell us when there are buyers or sellers. And our final work of the ICT money management formula. So this was the course content. If you are interested to learn this course, you can comment your WhatsApp number and also subscribe our channel. you can take a screenshot of the slides. 2 month other detail. This is the other detail of my course, and this is a 2 month, 2 to 3 month, and even I think it will be completed in the 2 months. So it's a 2 month course duration, and it's 2 month or not bigger. I think it's they are short. This short month time period. So here is the details about the classes will be given live through the Zoom app. Class duration will be the 1 hour depending on the topics, and don't worry, I will complete all of the content in just 2 months. And after this course, I am 100% sure, I will guarantee you will be the profitable trader, and you can change your life, and even you will earn a lot from the funded account. Any type of any prof company, I mostly use the FTMO funded account and smart pro smart prof company. This is a new activity during the course. What we will do during the classes, I will teach you if class, then give you the assignment will be given. In a live classes, I will take exam system included, test system included, weekly market analysis assignment, money management assignment, and the course admission information. Course fees is a $200. Payment option is a perfect money, Sakril, and BTC. If you are from Pakistan, you can pay in a PKR, and you can convert the 200 into PKR and pay the fees through the EasyPesa, UPesa, SadaPay account. So this was a course tale. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of this slide, and if you are interested to learn this course, you can comment your number in this video. I also provide my group link description. You can join, and then you can take my number from the group. So today I'm going to end this video. If you have any questions from the video, from this video, then you can ask me in the comment section.